Hello, so when you get a petrol leak from an engine, okay, manifold RS 100cc engine, petrol or anything flooding, and you think what's happening? Is it the petrol pipe? Yes, it is the petrol pipe, so you put a new petrol pipe on, and then you clean out the carb and put it all back together, and it be working, then it starts leaking again. That's down to the needle seat there. So how to do it? Use a drill like this, then use T-cap, put a little bit on here, then you put it in the valve seat here, then you spin it like this, make sure have a look down if it's all looking good. Yes, starting to shine up now. Put some more on. Go to the right. Put some more T-cap on. Go to the left. Put some more T-cap on. Go to the right. Put some more on. T-cap. Now we go both ways now. Left, right, left, right, left, right. Now we do a short one now. Some more on. So you do this motion now. Left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. So on. Now we get some carb cleaner to clean that stuff out. You put where the petrol pop goes on, you put that in. And it's looking good in there. Looking shiny. Now we need the airline. To clean it out. Now we put the needle back in, which is this here. Always make sure you clean that as well, the tip. Now we put it in like this. Now we put the pin in, which is this thing here. Okay, now I'm going to check for any leaks. It's working, so that works. And that's how you grind a valve seat in, well, needle seat I meant. And now there's no leaks, so when you put it back on, the petrol won't leak to the needle, allowing it to leak through from this bit here. So when it shuts nicely, like here, no petrol will leak now because it's tight as it should be. So let's try it again. But you can put a pressure gauge on these to do it. So that's what we're working. There we are. Done. So all you need is, I will tell you again, is a drill bit and T-cut. Oh dear, let's build it. And that does the trick. And you won't need to buy another brand new carburetor. Anyway, please subscribe to my channel for more videos coming. Petrol lawnmowers and engines. And thank you for listening and watching. Bye for now.